Silver daily time frame price is now below this strong horizontal support zone, and if you see this bottom which was made on September 1st, this bottom was made compared to gold which made bottom on November 4. So silver is always advanced compared to gold, but this time both are going same direction at the same time, and this top was made in gold and silver both at the same time. So this can be your bottom, and for silver trading always follow correlation with gold. If new low comes because of so many news this week, if it hits 61% retracement level, then buy again, or if this low which was made last week, if that low survive, then this is your bottom and target is new higher high. And before we talk about what will be next target, $30 or 50, first wait for price coming back to this previous high near $24. And if we go to lower time frame like H4, when this low was made near $20.56, gold was making double bottom, so that was clear signal for bottom in gold, so recommended to buy based on correlation, and now it is flying. And for new entry, price is breaking this 21.20 level. If it goes up testing this 21.9 level, then there is a possibility it can make a head and shoulder chart pattern, then you buy. And this week after breaking this level, if it retest again this level 21.20, then you can buy, but first minimum target is 21.93, and soon it will go back to 24.60, because gold silver has started a new bullish trend, and it is based on rate cut speculation, and you will see it will start aggressive after March FOMC meeting this year, because these investors are already running in front of rate cut markets speculation. Once that thing become clear in Fed watch tool, that will be too late, because that market pricing is still not showing in Fed watch tool, but these aggressive trader has start buying precious metal. So this week, after all of this news explained in gold and USD video, if this low survive, then this is your bottom, and this week is your last week which can be possibly bearish for this precious metal. After that, upcoming time for precious metal is super bullish because of rate cut. And if you see monthly time frame of silver, then this last month big red candle looks very dangerous. It is super bearish, but that technical does not fit with fundamental, and all of this thing came as expected. Clear signal for rate pause from Bank of Canada, and then again from Fed in his speech this week, then FOMC meeting this month. Then there is a possibility that that entire candle can close below near this previous high. In that condition, the next upside target is $35 from 35 to 36 is your next target for all of these buyers who are buying silver.